If you commit to applying a single household ingredient to your face for 7 days, you will see a noticeable shift toward clear, hydrated skin. The secret is simple table rice. When you extract the water from it, you are pulling the exact same active compounds found in high-end skincare serums that cost thousands of rupees directly from your pantry. The first compound is kojic acid, a targeted treatment that breaks apart the dense melanin clusters causing dark spots. Next is ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant shield deflecting the environmental damage from UV rays and free radicals that cause premature aging. The third compound is inositol. It acts like a biological sponge, pulling moisture deep into your skin and locking it there for lasting hydration. So, by combining a dark spot clearer, an environmental shield, and a deep hydrator, you get a highly complex 3-pronged treatment, and you can make it right in your kitchen. Methodical, step 1 is building your foundational layer, a daily toner to combat overall skin dullness. Take half a cup of raw rice, place it in a glass bowl, and pour in 2 cups of water. Let this soak for 30 to 40 minutes. During that time, you have to physically agitate the mixture. Massage and rub the grains between your fingers 2 or 3 times. This friction forces the valuable starch out of the rice and into the water. Strain the liquid into a glass bottle. To apply it, wash your face first, then soak a cotton pad in the rice water and dab it all over. Let it dry naturally. There is no need to wash it off. If you want stronger results, leave that strained water at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. This triggers fermentation, creating lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that melts away dead skin cells. You have to check the smell before using it. A mild, slightly sour scent is perfectly normal for fermentation. But if it smells foul, like rotten eggs, the batch is spoiled. Throw it out and start fresh. This chart breaks down the shelf life once you store your toner in the fridge. The normal version will last 5 to 7 days, while the fermented batch extends all the way out to 14 days. This toner provides the mandatory hydrating base layer your skin needs every day to prepare it for the heavy lifting of targeted treatments. Now that we have our base, we can build the second remedy, a highly targeted paste designed specifically for stubborn dark spots and concentrated pigmentation. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 5 to 6 drops of fresh lemon juice. Stir it into a thick, smooth paste. The lemon juice provides vitamin C, but its high acidity will cause immediate redness and irritation if your skin is sensitive. If you are prone to redness, skip the lemon juice entirely. Substitute it with an equal measure of rose water to soothe the skin while keeping the paste effective. Apply this thick paste strictly to the areas with dark spots. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it away gently with warm water. Treat this paste like a localized acid treatment. It requires precise, careful application to problem areas, rather than spreading it casually across your entire face. For the final remedy, we turn to the traditional ubtan scrub to manually strip away stubborn tans and dead skin buildup. You will need 2 tablespoons of raw rice soaked in water for a few hours, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Before mixing, grind the soaked rice. Avoid making a smooth powder. You need a chunky, coarse texture to effectively sweep away dead cells. Mix in the turmeric and cream and apply the scrub across your face and neck. Now, watch the clock. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it reaches a semi-dry state. Do not let this mask dry completely. If it hardens into a solid shell, removing it will aggressively pull on your skin and damage your barrier. To safely remove it, wet your fingertips. Use light circular motions to rehydrate the scrub and gently lift it off, then wash the rest away. This acts as a physical reset button for your face. By lifting off the barrier of dead cells, you clear the path for the daily toner and the spot eraser paste to penetrate deeper into the healthy skin below. To actually get the results, you have to map these 3 individual treatments into a strict weekly routine. The rice water toner is your daily staple, applied morning and night. Limit the spot eraser paste to 3 times a week to prevent overexfoliating, and restrict the heavier ubtan scrub to twice a week. You will feel an immediate difference in softness right after the first wash. But for the active compounds to visibly reduce dark spots, you must apply this routine consistently for 6 to 8 weeks. You have the recipes and the timeline. Tell me in the comments below, which of these 3 treatments are you going to mix up first? You don't need a shelf full of expensive commercial serums to achieve a clear, glowing complexion. You just need a methodical approach to applying the highly effective, biologically compatible compounds already sitting in your kitchen pantry.